How to duplicate a folder in Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let me tell you that there is no easy way to just duplicate the folder because you can see that when you tap on the three lines, there is no option to duplicate. But I'll show you a simple trick on how to duplicate the folder in Google Drive. So, what you need to do is go to the new option on the left side and then go ahead and tap on new folder and then put in the same folder name. So, hit save. And now what you need to do is go to the old folder and then uh, select all the images or videos and hit Control C to copy it all. Now come back and what you need to do is search for the new folder and then here go ahead and paste it. You can tap on Control V. Now you can see that the drive is copying four files. So all the files have been pasted here. So now both the folders have the same files. So this is how you duplicate a folder in Google Drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.